Hi guys, welcome back. So in this session, what I'll do is I'll show you how to install Python onto your system. So we're going to install two software that will be Python Interpreter and PyCharm IDE. I'll just show you a quick illustration of what we're going to be doing. So we do have PyCharm and then we do have Python install interpreter. So the ideal way to go about this is to install this first and then install this and then open up PyCharm, right, and test your code. So in between this stage, this connection between these guys now, so this stage is quite important because it's a bit difficult to start looking for where the Python interpreter is being installed. So what happens is that we're going to download these two software. We'll install this first, then we'll install this. So on installing this, after installing this, once you open it, it tries to connect to this other software here, tries to locate where it is on your system, and then proceeds to sort of enable you write your code, and then you're done, basically completed. So this is the process we're going to go through today. So you start by first downloading the Python interpreter, Python download, and then it will take me to the python.org website, and just click on that, download Python 3.4 or 4.0, and scroll down, or if you don't want to bother scrolling down, just go to download for Windows, and then it will drop that file into your downloads folder. And when you just click on that, it starts this and install now, customize installation. I'll suggest you just go with install now. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. You can click on that, add py.exe to path, and click on install now. So it will solve user. So if you do not have admin rights, then you just don't click on that, and then it sort of address the problem whenever it comes up. So we give you some time to do its installation. So now that the installation is completed, setup was successful, and click on close. Then next is to go to PyCharm, download, and just click on the first link, as long as it's not an advert. So click on the Windows download, and it goes download into your downloads folder as well. So once it finishes downloading, what you need to do is click on that and then bring your mouse there and just click on the file, and then it should start up the installation process. Just give it a few minutes. So it's verifying a few things, and then you need to approve that. Click on next. I usually put on another drive, not C drive, so you don't have constraints when you're installing libraries. Next, and create desktop path and update, yep, and association, yes, and admin folder to path, yes, and click on next, install, and just give you a few moments to install. Now that it's done, what you need to do is to click on the run PyCharm and then click finish. And then PyCharm starts up. Automatically, PyCharm will pick the path to the Python interpreter. So you could just click on that. Let's go. So install Python SDK. Cannot sell Python SDK at first. So that's because it's picking up on the program I've written before. So I'm just assuming that I'm going to Just go minimize that. It's gonna pick go file, new project, and new project. So you can see it's automatically picked up the Python version here. You could use Anaconda, or you could create a custom environment, but you just click on project in env. If you want tie to GitHub, you can just click on create Git repository. So I click on this window. So whenever you have another project open and you're trying to create a new project, you get this window where it asks whether you want to use the same window you have or create a new window. So I'm just going to click on this window, and automatically it's already linked this project with the Python interpreter. And I'll just come here. So this is where you actually, this new project is where you now click on new Python file, name it main. You name the first file as main, because ultimately you'll be having multiple files and it's easier to find the main.py file in your project. So if I type in print hello to Python and close that, all I have to do is come down here, up here, and click on one of these two. You click on the right button to debug, and you click on the left button to just run the whole program without debugging. So I'll usually click on this because if there are errors, it stops on the way. You can see it's printed hello to Python. Hello to Python. Yeah, so that tells you that the whole installation has worked perfectly. You didn't really have to go into your folders to find where the Python interpreter was, because you installed the Python interpreter first before PyCharm. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos on Python. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye.